So I'd like to welcome all the viewers to the Le Saf Baking Center here in Milwaukee. I am Arnaud Deniot. I'm the Director of Technical Services for Le Saf and Red Star in North America. I'm a scientist. I have a Master of Science in Biochemistry and Food Science. But I'm also from a family of bakers. My father, my grandfather were bakers, and I grew up in my parents' bakery. The Baking Center is a concept that was invented by Le Saf in 1974. It was a great idea from the marketing director at that time to hire a baker in order to make sure that all the products that we were developing, that was basically yeast at that time, were well adapted to our customers and their applications. As the Baking Center concept was very successful, it expanded to a worldwide network. Now we have more than 30 baking centers across the globe, all connected and sharing information about the markets and about the baking processes. So what are the roles of the baking center here in Milwaukee? The first one, and probably the most important one for us, is new product development. We develop prototypes that we test here in that bakery before bringing them to a market. And whether it's a new yeast, new enzyme, new bread improver, we have the ability to test the performance of the product, making sure that when we present that to a customer, they are up to the standard in the Le Saf group. The second role of the baking center is for training. We use that facility to train our own employees, of course, the salespeople, the technical service people, but a lot of employees inside the company. But it's also a training facility for our customers. This is something that's available to every baker in North America. If you want to learn about yeast, about bread improvers, you are welcome to come here in Milwaukee and get trained. The third role is becoming a link between the market in North America and our R&D resources and innovation in Europe. We are the eyes of the company in the market, so the technical service team, being very close to our customers, are able to pick up a lot of information and develop new products and bring new projects for the R&D team in France. As a summary, if you are a baker in North America, if you want to learn, get trained about baking, you can come to our facility. If you want to test a new product, you can reach out to us, to the technical service team. We can send somebody in your facility and test the products in your facility, or if you feel more comfortable coming here in our environment, you are welcome to come. Even if you have a very specific project, we've had a lot of customers coming here, even bringing some specific equipment, and we can welcome them and get a very nice project development together. The baking center is equipped to replicate the bread making technologies used in the industry, but also to analyze the various dough and bread characteristics in a well-controlled environment. We are bakers with a scientific approach, but bakers first. And now I'd like to introduce you to the technical services team, and you'll get to know them better throughout this video series.
Hi, I'm Jim Gluhusky. I'm the Senior Technical Services Manager here at Le Saf Yeast Corporation, North America. I've been involved in baking for almost 40 years. I'm a graduate of Kansas State University in Bakery Science and Management. Following graduation, I worked in several large wholesale manufacturing bakeries. I've been working as a technical service manager with Le Saf for almost 20 years. My primary area of expertise is in large wholesale plants as well as intermediate plants. I also have expertise in any type of cream yeast or cream yeast systems.
My name's Steve Massey. I'm a technical service manager for Le Saf Yeast Corporation. I started with Le Saf approximately 5 years ago. My background is I'm a second generation baker. I've been baking in the wholesale industry, baking industry for a little over 40 years. I'm currently located in Helena, Montana. My expertise is functionality of our yeast and bakery ingredients and going through automated equipment.
Hello, my name is Ricardo Rodriguez, Technical Services Manager for Le Saf Yeast. I've been in the baking industry for 30 years. I started baking back in my native Puerto Rico in retail, medium wholesale, flour tortillas and flatbreads such as pita and Greek pita bread.
My name is Roberto Alvarez. I am a technical service manager for Lesaf Yeast Corporation. I've been working with Lesaf for over 10 years. I have over 30 years of experience in the bakery industry. One of my specialties is to design and develop formulations for the Hispanic bakeries.
Hello, my name is Cheryl Cropper and I'm the new Product Development Lab Manager here at LaSaffre Yeast Corporation. I have a PhD in grain science with an emphasis in stereochemistry and bakery applications, and previous to this I had internships and worked as a food technologist for 4 large major food manufacturing companies.
Hi there, my name is Ralph Ginger. I'm with LaSaffre Yeast Corporation Red Star Yeast. My responsibility within the organization is being a baking business development manager. I joined LaSaffre 15 years ago. My baking experience I received in Stuttgart, Germany, where I took my apprenticeship as well as my master. I have 40 years of experience, and my specialties are from retail bakeries to craft bakeries to intermediate wholesale bakeries, as well as supermarket chains and restaurant chains. If you'd be interested to see more products or ideas on baking, please follow me on Instagram @BakedByRalph.
Thank you, Ralph. Here at LaSaffre and Red Star, we have a very experienced and talented team ready to assist you with any of your baking needs. To get more information, please visit our website, lesafyeast.com.